Tags can be used for both weighting and capping of assignments. This makes it easier for you to manage weighting and capping for groups of team members rather than managing this individually. Before using tag-based weighting and capping, you'll first need to set up and assign your tag collections. If you haven't done so already or need to review steps to create the collection, check out our tags video on creating a tag collection. To configure tag-based weighting and capping, first click on the Distribution Teams tab and then choose the team to configure. On the left navigation menu, click Weighting and Capping. You'll first be in the configuration for weighting across the team. At the top right, you'll want to click Switch to Tag Weighting. Keep in mind that by changing this, you will clear out any individual weighting you have previously configured. For this team, now we can configure the default weighting. This is the weighting that is used if the team member does not have one of the tags below assigned to them. We'll leave this at 1 for now. Next, we'll select our tag collection. I want to configure my tag-based weighting based on my sales team member's level in the sales organization. I'll click Add Tag and choose my first tag to weight. My tag collection consists of new hires, junior reps, and senior reps. First, we'll set new hires to 0.5. This means they'll be given an assignment every other round-robin cycle. Click Add Tag. For the junior reps, we'll leave their weighting to 1 since they are out of training and able to work leads. Click Add New again, and I'll select my senior reps tag. Since these reps are able to handle more workload, we'll increase their weighting to 1.5. This means they'll receive 1 assignment each round-robin cycle and an extra assignment every other cycle. Click Save, and the new weighting has been applied to the team. There's a couple of things to keep in mind when using this type of weighting. If a team member is assigned multiple weighting tags, the highest weighted tag will be used in assignment. Weighting is enabled on all distributors by default. If you do not want a distributor to use weighting, you'll need to disable it under the Distributor Level Settings tab. Capping by tags is very similar in setup as weighting. In the Weighting and Capping section, click the Team Level Caps tab at the top. Click Enable Team Level Caps if you haven't already done so. In the Tag Collection section, choose the tag collection you want to use for capping. Let's use our sales level example from above. The default capping is unlimited and will be applied for any team member without a tag. For our new hires, we want them to be limited to 1 assignment per half hour. We'll choose our time period of half hourly, our tag of new hire, and then edit the cap from unlimited to 1. Our junior reps, we want a limit to 5 assignments per hour. We'll first add our hourly time period. Note that this defaults to unlimited, but the most restrictive cap is applied. Some new hires still can only receive 1 assignment per half hour. We'll then want to add a row for our junior rep tag. Lastly, we'll edit that row to increase the hourly cap to 5. We'll leave our senior rep tag alone as they can receive the default unlimited assignments. Similar to weighting, the capping is on by default for all distributors. If you'd like to ignore the capping for a specific distributor, you will do so by going into the Distributor Level Settings tab and setting the Ignore Team Level Capping option. For more details on how capping works, check out the feature-focused webinar video on caps. If you have any additional questions, please reach out to support@nc-squared.com.